So, first of all, sorry about this lighting and my hair. It's rainy outside, so both things have been affected. And today I'm going to be making Cajun fries and an original recipe that I'm going to try out, which is chocolate fudge brownies with berries and cheesecake. So yeah, I'm going to start with the brownies. So I have 1 cup of flour, then I have 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, powder, not soda, 3/4 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to need 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. It smells so good. It's so deceiving, like you'd think this stuff would taste good, like hot chocolate or something, but when you taste it, it's just so bitter. Okay, so I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients. Okay, now for the wet ingredients. First, I'm going to add 3 eggs. One-4 cup of oil, one-half cup of salted melted butter, a big splash of vanilla, and here's the special part. This is like 3/4 of a jar of jam. Oh, come out. Okay, now I'm gonna stir that up. It smells so good. Do you guys eat cake mix? Okay, so now that that's all mixed up, like that, I'm gonna pour this into this buttered dish. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, it's not completely mixed. It's okay, I've got you. I got you, bro. Got you, bro. Let's taste it. It tastes like fruity brownies. Mmm, it's so good. Okay, so now you might be wondering, where does the cheesecake part come in? So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm just gonna set this aside. It's so good. Mmm. Okay, I'm gonna get full if I keep this up. Okay, I'm back. And so I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm just gonna add sugar until this is sweet. Like, oh, how much? I don't know. When it tastes alright. So I'm just gonna cream this together. I love mixing fatty things with sugar. Ooh. Let's go. Yeah, that tastes right. So, to turn these fruity brownies into cheesecake brownies, I'm just gonna put like globs of this in. This is probably like one of the most fattening foods possible. If you need to gain weight, just do this. If there were a way to get this smooth all over the top, I'd do that, but it's so thick, I don't really know of a way to try that. This is one of those recipes where all the things you put together also taste good on their own. So like the whole time you're trying to resist eating bits of it. Like I could seriously just eat this sugary cream cheese. Okay. This is so good. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll come back and we'll work on making the fries. I'm going to start on the fries. Here's some, this is 2 big potatoes that I've cut into fry-shaped pieces. Sorry, I was running up here, and yeah, I put a whole bunch of olive oil on them. And before I used them for this, I soaked the chopped up potatoes in water because I heard that that helps them be soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So yeah, there's a whole ton of olive oil on this, and I'm just sort of tossing it together. Okay, and after that's all tossed up, I'm going to put a ton of salt on it. This would probably be easier to do with my hands, but I don't want potato starch all over me. And now I'm going to add the cajun. Oh wow, there's not a lot. Hopefully that's enough. Yeah, this really isn't much. I should have checked beforehand to make sure we had enough, but I think this is about half a teaspoon. Okay, and I'm gonna add some garlic. Ooh, whoa, that's a lot of garlic. I like garlic. These might come out more garlicky than Cajun-y. And now for some spice, I'm gonna add this, what is this? Cayenne pepper. It just has a sort of spicy sweet smell that I think would be good for this, so I'm just gonna, you can tell I'm really professional. Well, these are gonna taste like something. Okay, so, and now I'm going to put these onto a baking sheet. Garlic. Gonna dump these on. And then I'm just going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees until they're looking crispy and all that kind of thing. Woohoo! Looking good, looking good. Okay, see you next time. Wait, no, I mean see you in like when these are done. So, I finished the cooking and I'm back. So I have the fries. I have orange juice for a drink. Spicy mayo. And these are the brownies. I can't pick them up to show them to you because it's really hot. But yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. Well, my hair is just not doing it today. It's so cloudy. The fries came out really soft, but I actually prefer that. I think they're soft because I used so much oil. Dip them in the mayo. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, spicy. The texture is really good. It has a bit of crisp, but the inside is still soft. And at first it's not spicy, and then it kicks in. I'm not sure. I think it's probably all that pepper stuff I put in. Mmm. Mmm. For real though, this may be the unhealthiest mukbang I've done so far. I mean, well, there was the roll cake, but ugh. It is spicy. Wow. I'm out of juice already. I'm eating with these with a fork because they're pretty oily. I'm dying. I'm gonna get more to drink. Okay, so next time a bit less spice, but otherwise look really good. Probably next time a bit less spice and a bit less oil. Okay, I'm gonna try the brownies. Take a break from all that spice. Do you guys like the corner piece, edge piece, or the middle? I'm gonna take such a big piece that it doesn't matter. Wow, it's still really hot. Oh. Whoa. Okay, how am I gonna get this out of here? Ooh. Ooh. Gonna need to do a close-up on this because this is some like emotionally moving kind of stuff. Moved. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Spilled it on my computer. Mmm. So good. It's really good. It's got almost like the fruity taste's almost subtle, and it goes like the chocolate and the fruitiness with the cream cheese. It's really good. It's quite sweet, so if you're one of those people who's always like eating sweets and complaining like, oh, it's too sweet, maybe you wouldn't like this, but I mean, it's no sweeter than regular brownies. It's kind of a pet peeve for me, actually. When people complain about something being too sweet. Like it's dessert. Like, we all know your taste buds are so much more mature than the rest of us, but I don't know, it's really irritating. Hot, 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 hot. I did burn my finger when I was taking the French fries out of the oven. There's a hole in the oven mitt. We really need to get a new pair of oven mitts. Yeah, I really recommend this recipe. I mean, for real. It's hot. It's not like burning me, but it's hot. I'd say even if you're someone who doesn't really like too much fruitiness in their sweets, you might like this. Like, for all that jam I put in, the fruitiness is pretty subtle. Oh yeah, another thing. I've noticed that a lot of you think I'm younger than I am. I don't know, is it like because I don't wear makeup, or? I mean, I don't think I look that young. I'm 17, by the way. My hair looks like I stuck it inside a humidifier. The fries taste less spicy when I eat them with the brownies. I'm kind of excited because today, okay, so you know that girl who won America's Got Talent? She's gonna be on Ellen today, and I'm excited to see that. I'm a little worried about her though, because like, they're having her perform so much. She needs to give her voice a rest. Okay, so that's all the eating I'm gonna do, and yeah, so see you next time. I have to go drink a gallon of water now.